Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Yeah, what a drop that we had there over the last few days. Nothing unanticipated. Yeah, we've been waiting for this drop of Doge here into this target area. Let me, by the way, just draw that a little bit more accurately. And there we go. So the target for Doge was here between the 50% fib level and the 78.6 fib level, between basically 8.2 cents and 7.3 cents in this particular scenario. What is a little bit unclear to me, we don't really know that at this stage. If the drop here was the A wave, we are gonna move up in a B wave. Maybe this was the B and we're coming down in C. I don't necessarily see that anymore. The reason for that is that it has come down quite a lot for an A wave. So this is actually not really what I'd like to see. So it probably would fit better to put the A here, the B here, and then we've got some kind of an expanding, maybe, yeah, ending expanding diagonal in a C wave. That's how I could see it. But again, don't get too confused about the micro count here. What is important is that we are now entering an area with a favorable reward to risk ratio, because in this area, even though I would still prefer Doge to drop lower into the larger area in the bearish count, which would lead to another drop in a C wave of 3. Still though, for a possible long trade, we've entered a favorable reward to risk area ratio. Yeah, and for everybody who's now saying, right, you've got two counts, why should I go long if you primarily see it still dropping? Well, you know, my expectations don't really need to work out, and it's all about just trading simply, unbiased, based on reward to risk. I mean, that's the only way how you can win, right? You can't win on, you know, because you expect the market to do something. You can only win by trading high reward, low risk setups. And if you have two wave counts, one might be a little bit less likely, like in my opinion this one with a 1-2 setup, but it's still fairly reasonable, okay, given the entire crypto market's state at the moment. You know, you want to trade the one which is currently being put into advantage by the market, which is this one. No financial advice, of course, but if this holds the 7.3 cent level, this could rally in a third wave into the region. Let's just put it onto the chart roughly, yeah, into the region 12.3 cents plus. So it's getting interesting, and if we drop, however, below 7.3 cents and sustain there, then it would be more likely that we are going down into the yellow box. That would be a long-term accumulation area, and I see this in a so-called ending diagonal situation here as well. I could see this go down all the way to 2.3 cents, but it would be a very bearish view. It doesn't need to go down that low. I'd be already happy with the drop into the region below 5 cents, below the June low. But nevertheless, I did add some Doge a couple of days ago, and now I just want to see now, do we go up from here or do we fail? If we fail, okay, I've bought quite close to support and invalidation, so I'm gonna stop out. But the point here is that I still see it drop a little bit lower anyway. Ideally, this move currently looks corrective. Yeah, it's clearly a 3-wave structure, sideways movement. Tomorrow we've got CPI data, so don't necessarily expect too much movement today, rather tomorrow. Yeah, this could be a C wave, as I said, and maybe this is some kind of a 4th wave in a C. We come down and make one more low. We've got 2 more fibs here that we could address, the 61.8 fib at 7.8 cents and the 78.6 fib at 7.3. So it will be interesting. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.